Very good morning, children. Hope you're all safe at home, and we're also very happy to share the news that we are going to have virtual classes for NTSC and NEET for both high school and Olympiad children in Microsoft Teams. As we already announced, people are sending their names and classes. We are sending them back their IDs. So exclusively we are making this video to guide you how to use those credentials, user ID and password, and log into your Microsoft Teams and join your classes. So basically this entire instructional video will give you three basic ideas. One is how to download Microsoft Teams. Hope many of you know that. Second, how to sign in into Microsoft Teams. What are the settings that you need to make at the time of sign in, and how do you check your classes and timetable. So these are the three basic fundamental aspects we cover in this video. As you all know, you need to go to Play Store to get Microsoft Teams. As you can see already in my search, Microsoft Teams you will find here. Otherwise you can search on top in search bar. So I'm choosing this Microsoft Teams. As I have already installed Microsoft Teams in my mobile, it is showing open. If you are newly installing, it will show you install. So I'll go for open. So once you install Microsoft Teams, the first screen that you see is like this: sign in, sign up for free. You should click on sign in. You should not click on sign up for free, because we have already created an account. So you can directly click on sign in, then use a different account. Sorry, I have two accounts, so I'm using one test account. So first you will find to give your email address, phone number or username. So you have to give your username. So as I've created one test, whatever user ID that we have sent you, you need to enter here. Please be very careful while entering. Please check it is on Microsoft, right? Vasavi Schools, super. Then click on sign in. Then the next step would be entering your password. Do remember, your password first letter is always a capital letter. LA then click on sign in. Better you save it, and when you reach the screen, you simply press on skip for until 14 days. Don't click on next. So you will get this screen, then click on next, then next, then finally you are entered into your Teams. If your user ID is not added in any of your classes, your screen looks like this. You can't find anything in assignments, Teams, or you can't even find calendar also. So I'll show you. I'll just add the same user in one class. Let's see what happens. So I have just added this test student in class 9th Olympiad. So as and when I did in my system, it is immediately reflecting here. So what I have to do, I have to click on see all items, then come back. There are 4 hidden channels. click on biology, chemistry, math, physics, come back. Now you could see all of them. Then click on mathematics. You see there is a class scheduled by me at 9 to 10 every day. So when I click on this, I'll get two options. One, join and add to calendar. First thing I have to do is I have to add this class to my calendar. I have to repeat the same for remaining subjects as well. For example, physics, I have to do the same. I have to add this class to my calendar because I'm a 9th class student. So I have to have these classes in my calendar. Okay, now how do you join your class? Basically, when it is ticking 9 o'clock, before 10 minutes itself you will get a notification stating that you have a class at so and so time of so and so subject. You will get that notification. If not, you know your timings, you simply come and click on mathematics, you select your class and click on join. As simple as that. If you join, you'll come to this screen. So first thing, you have to turn off your mic, turn off your camera off, then click on join now. So that initially you need to follow. Once you get into the classes, you will get to know a lot of things, and it will be more easier and fun. Hope this instruction video will help you. If you have any doubts, you have my number, you can text me so that we can sort